Welcome back to Be Successful, where the bull market is just around the corner. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into this exciting world, I've got you covered. In this brief video, I'll unravel 35 crypto terms, from the basics to the complex, to demystify this ever-evolving landscape. As new jargon constantly emerges, often borrowed or freshly coined, staying up to date is key to staying in the know. Join me as we delve into these 35 terms that'll serve as your compass through the crypto maze. Let's dive in and decode the language of this dynamic realm together. Cryptocurrency. Digital currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on decentralized networks. Blockchain. A distributed ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a secure and transparent manner. Bitcoin. The first cryptocurrency, created by an unknown person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Altcoin. Any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Wallet. Software or hardware used to store cryptocurrency keys and manage transactions. Mining. Process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain using computational power. Token. Digital asset built on an existing blockchain, representing various utilities or assets. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Anxiety that drives people to invest or act impulsively based on the fear of missing out on potential gains. Market cap. Total value of a cryptocurrency calculated by multiplying its price by the total supply. Whale. Individual or entity holding a large amount of cryptocurrency. Hold, a term derived from hold, describing the strategy of holding on to cryptocurrencies for the long term despite market volatility. Bull market, a period during which cryptocurrency prices, in general, are rising, fostering optimism and increased investments. Altcoin season, a period where altcoin prices significantly rise compared to Bitcoin. Hot wallet, an online cryptocurrency wallet offering quick access to funds, but potentially more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Cold wallet, an offline cryptocurrency wallet offering increased security, often a physical device or hardware application. IPO, initial public offering, the process by which a company makes its shares available to the public for the first time on a traditional stock market. ICO, initial coin offering, a form of crowdfunding where crypto projects raise funding by selling tokens. NFT, non-fungible token, a special type of cryptographic token representing unique and indivisible digital ownership, often used for art, digital collectibles, etc. Spend, a play on words combining spend and hold, referring to the notion that holding cryptocurrencies can also lead to their utilization for purchases, not just holding. CEX, centralized exchange, a centralized trading platform facilitating cryptocurrency exchanges. DEX or DEX, decentralized exchange, a decentralized trading platform allowing users to make direct exchanges without intermediaries. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, spreading negative or false information about cryptocurrencies or markets to induce fear and panic selling. Black swan, an unexpected and rare event with severe consequences that significantly impacts the cryptocurrency market. Market maker, an individual or entity that provides liquidity to a market by buying and selling assets, helping to establish bid-ask spreads. White paper, a document released by a cryptocurrency project that outlines its technology, purpose, tokenomics, and potential impact. Staking, the process of holding cryptocurrencies in a wallet to support the operation of a blockchain network and earn rewards. KYC, know your customer, the process through which businesses verify the identity of their customers to prevent fraud, often required by exchanges and ICOs. ATH, all-time high, the highest price ever reached by a cryptocurrency or asset. ATL, all-time low, the lowest price ever reached by a cryptocurrency or asset. Market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency calculated by multiplying its current price by the total circulating supply. Max supply, the maximum number of coins that will ever exist for a particular cryptocurrency. Circulating supply, the number of coins or tokens currently available and in public hands in the market. Total supply, the total number of coins or tokens that currently exist or are planned to exist in the future for a cryptocurrency. Fully diluted market cap, the total market capitalization of a cryptocurrency if all coins or tokens were in circulation at their current price. These would be the first 35 abbreviations or expressions you need to know to advance in the wonderful crypto world. But of course, they're not the only ones. I will prepare another video with such words if you want it. All you have to do is ask me for this in the comments, and of course, give a like so I know it was useful. And send this video to a friend because the information becomes more valuable when it's shared. And as always, remember to be successful.